If you want to write better blog posts faster, Grammarly can help you move from a blank page to a polished, publish-ready draft without losing your voice. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grammarly for blog writing step by step, from setting up your workspace to outlining, rewriting, humanizing, and doing the final accuracy check. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next productivity guide. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the page loads, click New to open a blank canvas in the modern web editor. If you already have a draft you want to improve, you can also pick an existing document from your library. This is the best place to start because it gives you a clean workspace where you can build your blog post from scratch or refine something you've already written. Now take a moment to look at the vertical tool menu on the far right side of your screen. This sidebar is going to act like your digital editing team throughout the whole writing process. Instead of jumping between different tools and tabs, Grammarly keeps everything in one place, which makes blog writing much smoother and much faster. Let's start with the outline, because every strong blog post needs structure. Readers online usually scan before they read, so your content should be easy to follow with clear H2 and H3 sections. Click AI Chat at the top of the sidebar panel and type a prompt that tells Grammarly exactly what you need. For example, you can say, create an SEO-friendly, H2 structured outline for a blog post about your topic targeting your target audience. Grammarly will generate a framework you can use right away. Once the outline looks good, click Insert to drop it directly into your editor workspace. This saves a huge amount of time and gives you a strong starting point instead of staring at a blank screen. From here, you can begin filling in each section with your own ideas, examples, and insights. Next, let's make the content easier to read for digital skimmers. Most online readers do not want long walls of text, especially on mobile. To improve readability, click AI Rewriter or Paraphraser from the menu panel. Then highlight the paragraph you want to improve and give Grammarly a clear instruction. For example, you can ask it to convert the paragraph into a scannable bulleted list with bold lead-ins. This is perfect when you want to break down complex information into something easier to absorb. As you write, keep an eye out for blue underlines on your canvas. These usually indicate areas where Grammarly thinks you can improve clarity. You can click the inline rewrite for clarity suggestions to quickly remove filler words, tighten up weak sentences, and make the writing feel more direct. This is especially useful if your blog post sounds a little too formal or repetitive. Now let's talk about voice, because a blog post should sound like a real person wrote it, not a machine. If your writing feels too stiff or too academic, click the Humanizer tool in the sidebar panel. This helps smooth out rigid sentences and gives your blog a more natural, conversational rhythm. That matters a lot because readers connect with content that feels personal, clear, and easy to trust. After that, click Reader Reactions. This feature lets you select a target reader persona and see simulated feedback on your tone. Grammarly may show you whether your writing comes across as friendly, informative, or stiff. Use that feedback to adjust your wording until it better matches the style you want. If your audience is beginners, you probably want a warmer, more helpful tone. If you're writing for professionals, you may want something more confident and precise. Now it's time to secure the technical side of your post. Even the best ideas can lose credibility if there are typos, punctuation issues, or unverified claims. Click Grammarly Proofreader to catch spelling errors, grammar mistakes, and punctuation problems. This is the layer that helps you clean up the final draft before publishing. If your blog post includes facts, statistics, study references, or industry claims, use the fact checker and citation finder tools as well. These are especially important when you want your content to feel trustworthy and accurate. Search engines and readers both value content that is well-sourced, so this step can make a big difference in the quality of your finished article. Before you publish, do one final originality check. If you're moving your content into a CMS like WordPress, Ghost, or HubSpot, it's smart to make sure the wording is original and aligned with your editorial standards. Click Plagiarism Checker at the bottom of the sidebar panel to scan for any accidental overlap with source material. Then review the AI detector and authorship tools to make sure the final balance between your own writing and AI assistance fits your publication style. And that's the full workflow. You've now used Grammarly to build an outline, improve readability, humanize your tone, check for accuracy, and verify originality before publishing. That's a powerful blogging process, especially if you want to write faster without sacrificing quality. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Subscribe for more software tutorials and share this with someone who wants to improve their blog writing workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.